So Seth, what's going on here today?
Okay, so it's a windshield frame replacement for a '04 Wrangler TJ, and it's pretty straightforward if you know how to work on your Jeep at all. You just remove 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see them on that side of the bracket. Those 4 T40 bolts. The first one came out really hard, and the second one snapped. The tool, the actual T40 bit
So
snapped.
we went to fire.
Yeah, exactly. So save yourself a lot of time and trouble. Get an oxy matte gas torch. Put about 10 seconds of direct heat on the T40 bolt. That's it. Just count to 10. Hopefully have somebody to take it from you, and the bolt comes right out. Way easier.
So this is what's happening. My windshield cracked from the pressure of the rust, and of course nobody will replace that even though I have insurance. So Seth went to Crown Jeep.
Yeah, Crown in Canton,
Massachusetts, and it was $300 for the frame.
Yep.
And how much for the paint job?
And then $300 to have it painted. It's $250, but then we had, recommended by Crown, we had the inside of the frame itself painted with what they call an Entracoat primer. So they spray it inside the frame, and it's supposed to protect this rot from happening again, which, as you can see, was compromising the structural integrity of, wow, that is really bad.
So anyway, we're really excited about this. I'm really lucky that I have a mechanically inclined partner in life, and we're gonna get this all fixed up and get it back on the road.
Yeah, and 2 more tips. It looks like you don't have to remove this bracket. You just have to loosen these other 4 bolts here. Just loosen them to give the bracket enough room to move. Lets the windshield come out. And then you just have to have some windshield weather stripping adhesive. You peel the old weather stripping header panel, header gasket off the top of the frame, and you just put a little adhesive on and put it on the new frame. And it's really not that bad. It was an hour to get it off. Taking your time, it'll be less than an hour to get it back together.
All right, thanks Seth. So we had a TJ windshield frame repair today, and we started about 40 minutes ago,
Yeah.
and it's off. So just going to clean it all up and get it ready for the replacement guy to come do the glass tomorrow, and we're all set. Thank
Good
you.
luck.